In this video, we will discuss about break and continue statements. So first, the break statement. The break statement ends the loop immediately when it is encountered. It is almost always used with if-else statement inside the loop. Now, inside a while, do while or for loop, if a break statement is encountered, the iteration is stopped immediately and the control goes out of the loop. Now this program calculates the sum of numbers. You can enter a maximum of 10 numbers, but if the user enters a negative number, then the loop terminates. So in this program, while we are using a for loop from 1 to 10, inside the for loop there is a condition that if the number entered is less than 0, that is if the number is a negative number, then it encounters a break statement and it immediately exits the for loop. So now let's run the code. So first let's enter 7, then 8. Now let's enter a negative number like -5. As you can see that the program is terminated and it displays the sum of the numbers that we have entered, that is 15. Now the continue statement. The continue statement skips the current iteration of the loop and continues with the next iteration. And just like the break statement, it is also used most commonly with the if-else statement. Now, as you can see, if it is used inside the while, do while or for loop, if it is encountered, then the rest of the loop is skipped and it again goes back to the text expression to check if the text expression evaluates to true or false. Now we go back to the code and instead of break, we replace it with continue. And now let's run the code. So in this case, we will keep entering the number, but instead of exiting the loop when encountered a negative number, it will simply skip the following iteration, which means that the negative number will not be added. So now let's enter some numbers. -9, 8, -10, 6, 7, 8, 9. As you can see in the final result, if you calculate, then -9, -10, -12 is not added in the sum. And that's all for now. Thank you for your patient listening. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for further videos on this course. Thank you.